In Turin, Italy, lies a simple linen cloth that has captivated the world for centuries. The Shroud of Turin. Its faint image of a wounded, bearded man has fueled debate, faith, and scientific inquiry. Many believe it's the burial cloth of Jesus, bearing the marks of crucifixion and a mysterious photographic negative image. When first photographed in 1898, the negative revealed a striking, lifelike portrait, something no medieval artist could have imagined. The shroud's documented history begins in 14th century France, but legends tie it to the tomb of Christ. Is it a miraculous relic or a medieval masterpiece? The question bridges history, science, and faith. Today, the shroud remains a powerful symbol, challenging us to explore the boundary between the sacred and the scientific. Its mystery endures, inviting both believers and skeptics to seek answers. The quest to understand this cloth is ultimately a quest to glimpse the face of the divine. For many, the shroud's image is the true face of Jesus, its wounds matching biblical accounts with uncanny accuracy. The blood flows and injuries align with Roman crucifixion, even showing nail marks in the wrists, a detail unknown in medieval art. Pollen and dirt on the cloth trace back to ancient Judea, adding weight to claims of its origin. The shroud transforms a distant story into a tangible, personal encounter with suffering and sacrifice. The Vatican regards it as a powerful icon, inspiring devotion regardless of its authenticity. Scientific details, photographic negativity, anatomical precision, and Middle Eastern traces form a compelling case for its uniqueness. Whether relic or art, the shroud asks us to consider if we're seeing a divine imprint or a masterful creation. Its silent testimony continues to provoke wonder and debate. Scientific scrutiny of the shroud has only deepened its mystery. In 1988, radiocarbon dating placed the cloth in the Middle Ages, seemingly settling the debate. But critics argue the tested sample came from a repaired section, possibly skewing the results. Newer methods, like wide-angle X-ray scattering, compare the shroud's fibers to ancient linens and suggest it could be 2,000 years old. This research reignited controversy, challenging the earlier carbon dating and placing the shroud back in the era of Jesus. Now two timelines compete, one medieval, one ancient. The scientific community remains divided, with each new study raising more questions. The shroud stands at the crossroads of history and science, its true age still unresolved. This ongoing debate keeps the enigma alive, fueling both skepticism and belief. The cloth story is far from finished. The greatest mystery isn't just the shroud's age, but how its image was formed. No paint, dye, or brush strokes have been found. The image sits only on the cloth's outermost fibers. Some suggest it's a clever medieval forgery, perhaps made with heat or pigment, but no method fully explains its unique qualities. The image contains three-dimensional information, and the bloodstains are real human blood, applied before the image appeared. One theory proposes a burst of energy, possibly at the moment of resurrection, scorched the image onto the linen. Science can't replicate or fully explain it, and no artist has matched its properties. Whether miracle or masterpiece, the shroud remains an unsolved puzzle. Its image continues to defy explanation, inviting awe and investigation. The Shroud of Turin stands at the intersection of faith and science, drawing in believers and skeptics alike. For the faithful, it's a powerful symbol, making the story of Jesus immediate and personal. For scientists, it's an irresistible enigma. Every answer leads to new questions. Conflicting tests highlight the limits of our knowledge and the complexity of history. The shroud challenges us to seek truth, whether through faith, reason, or both. It connects us to the past and to the mysteries that define our humanity. Whether relic or remarkable art, its power endures. The shroud's story continues, inviting each generation to look closer and wonder.